is Kush Mungia, and you might also know me by the name of Cars with Kush. So today we are at Booth International Circuit capturing the track day organized by Track Attackers Group, and this is my first vlog. Hope you like it. Enjoy. So this is the service lane of the track, Booth International Circuit, and we are entering it so that हम corners पे जा सकें and we can get good shots. This is the Piston Productions media team chilling at the BIC.
भाई फिलहाल हम स्विचिंग टू हैंडल बिकॉज मैं यहाँ पे नहीं लूँगा.
क्या नहीं लेगा?
भाई वाइड शॉट लेने में क्या फ़ायदा है, यहाँ पे टाइट ही चाहिए मेरे को.
Okay, so if you guys don't know, this is the service lane of the official track. This is the main track, and यहाँ पे only the media persons are allowed, जिसके पास media bands हैं, and हम पूरा track cover कर सकते हैं through this service lane, and we can get different angles of the different turns. Okay, so wait, I'll show you. That is the turn 1. This is turn 2, and this is turn 3 of BIC, and this is the back straight, the longest stretch of the track. It is, I guess, 1 or 1.1 kilometers long. This car is a Skoda VRS, and this thing is producing like north of 400 horsepower, and in a Skoda VRS 400 horsepower is good enough. Okay, so किसी गाड़ी में अगर blinkers on है, which means they are on a cool down lap. तो इसमें on नहीं है blinkers, which means this is on a hot lap. And if you don't know the difference between hot lap and a cool lap, so hot lap is a lap जिसके अंदर you go full throttle, like full, and you try to get the best time possible. And cool lap is a lap जिसमें you let your car breathe, मतलब थोड़ी हवा आने दो, brakes ठंडी होने दो, so that hot lap में गाड़ी अच्छे से perform कर सके. Okay, so this is the last turn. This is the final turn before the main center stretch. I guess the turn 15. So if you guys saw that M2 automatically उसके बाहर चली गई, what do you call it, track के बाहर, because simple reason that M2 was on a cold lap and M4 was on a hot lap, तो उन्होंने रास्ता दे दिया. Again, this M2 is on cold lap, so indicators and white line. Okay, so and that one is the pit entry. यहाँ से आप डायरेक्ट पिट के अंदर घुसते हो. इसमें डाल देंगे पीछे वो सिनेमैटिक ऑडियो. Okay, so क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस करता है व्हेन यू ड्राइव दिस काइंड ऑफ कार. सो दिस गाय लिव्स इन फरीदाबाद एंड बॉट अ फुल टैंक. अभी फर्स्ट सेशन इज 30 मिनट्स का था एंड अभी आई गेस सिर्फ 8 मिनट बचे हैं. सो 22 मिनट्स एंड द फुल टैंक इज एम्प्टी. Refueling it up again. 100 octane है नहीं है? 100 octane. 95. हाँ बढ़िया. So कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गई है ट्रैक पे जिसकी रीज़न से ट्रैक सेशन अभी रोक दिया है. सो ऑल द कार्स आर कूलिंग डाउन. तभी सबके हुड ओपन है. Nice car. Okay, so this car produces 400 horsepower, which is too much for a Skoda. And this is the new M2, but इसमें I guess peelable paint हो रखा है, which looks crazy. I'm vlogging today.
How are you feeling?
आप बताओ. What's happening?
I think I'm a little awestruck because I'm coming on the track. पे हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं.
हाँ हाँ, हिंदी इंग्लिश एनीथिंग.
आई थिंक ट्रैक पे आ रहा हूँ अराउंड 6-7 साल के बाद. एंड आते ही एक तो होता है आप किसी नॉर्मल गाड़ी में बैठो. मैंने थोड़ी हीरोगिरी कर दी. मैं बैठ गया जसमहर जुब्बल जी की गाड़ी में. M4
स्टेज 1.
तो दो बातें हो जाती है. एक बात होती है M4, दूसरी बात होती है जसमहर है. तो फिर मुझे याद आया कि देयर इज दिस वंडरफुल थिंग कॉल्ड जी फोर्सेस. तो एक लैप तो मैं उससे बात ही नहीं कर पाया. पहले तो यूज टू हो रहे थे मेरे को. तो आई ऑलमोस्ट थ्रू अप इन द कार. उसको पता नहीं है जसमहर FYI, बट अगली बार नहीं होगा.
This is a BMW M2, which is like full carbon fiber. Just except the doors, everything is carbon fiber. The hood, fenders, bumper, roof. This side panel को छोड़ के everything. And it's look beautiful. And it's one hell of a machine. This is the guy जिनकी that 400 horsepower VRS है.
Should we have 5 people getting garlands and why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? There are no garlands here yet, so I'm not doing anything except yapping. Sir, so what do you think happened right now?
So what I believe has happened right now is a typical case of brake fade at BIC. After a hot lap, especially on heavier cars, what happens is the system gets so hot that it can no longer actually grab on and slow down the car.
Okay.
When the car can't slow down, you end up entering a corner at a speed that you cannot carry through it.
Right.
When you can't carry it, you end up in a gravel trap typically. BIC is very safe that way.
Right.
Nobody's ever had a bad crash here simply because so many safety measures are in place. So the gravel trap is intended to slow you down and trap you there. So after that, a BIC recovery vehicle will come, pull the car out. That's how it works.
Okay.
So thankfully, all safeties have worked as intended. There is no harm to life and limb. Everything looks fine. And once the car is recovered, we'll be good to drive again on the track.
Okay, so the track day is over. Everyone is heading home. And this was my first ever vlog. Hope you guys liked it. And stay tuned for the next one. Peace.
खराब हो गया फिर से करेंगे ट्राई
Nice.